If the heatsink is going to be reused, use an approved wipe to clean the thermal grease from the part. The CPU comes contained in an electrostatic package that doubles as an installation guide. Before reusing a processor that was removed from another system board, wipe the thermal grease from the processor with an alcohol cleaning pad. Apply the thermal grease on top of the processor with a syringe by forming 4 uniformly spaced dots, while each dot consists of about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease. Align the arrow on the heatsink with the arrow on the CPU retainer. Carefully lower the heatsink onto the CPU retainer clips and press down gently until the clips are engaged and the CPU is secure. Lift the newly assembled processor heatsink module up by the heatsink to remove it from the package. You'll need a Torx T30 screwdriver. Align the triangle mark and guide pins on the processor socket with the triangle mark and mounting holes of the PHM. Carefully lower the PHM straight down into the processor socket. Fully tighten the numbered Torx T30 captive fasteners on the processor heatsink module in the install sequence shown on the heatsink label. This label instructs us to begin tightening fastener number 1, then 2, 3, and 4. Only tighten the fasteners until they stop. Do not over-tighten. To install the air baffle, align the air baffle pins with the pin holes on both sides of the chassis. Reinstall the compute node cover.